Adjusting the hidden hinges. Hidden hinges offer versatile adjustment options. The sash can be adjusted horizontally, vertically, and in terms of sealing pressure. Note: both hinges must be adjusted simultaneously to prevent them from pushing against each other and potentially causing damage. Horizontal adjustment of hinge. Loosen the two wood screws in the frame. Adjust the hinge position using the eccentric screw. Turn the eccentric screw, move the sash in the direction you turn. Tighten the wood screws back. Adjust the other hinge in the same way. Vertical adjustment of hinge. The sash height is adjusted by turning the screw. Tightening the screw raises the sash. Loosening the screw lowers the sash. Adjust the other hinge in the same way. Adjusting sash sealing pressure. Sealing pressure is adjusted by turning the screw in the sash. Tightening the screw increases the sealing pressure on the hinge side. Loosening the screw decreases the sealing pressure on the hinge side.